Yo, what's good, guys? So we are here. It is early in the morning. This is going to be Flea Pop number 3. If you've been paying attention, we already had 2 the last 2 months. It's always on the third weekend, around the third weekend. It'll be on a Sunday from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. It's in Walnut, California. If you need the address, just go to the Instagram. It's at FleaPop, FLEA.POP. And then you can find the address there. If you do want to be a vendor, all you have to do is DM me, and then I can somehow fit you in if I can get you in early enough. But yeah, this is gonna be the 3rd one. I'm super hyped. Everyone's starting to set up. It's about to be a good day. Let's go. We do cash, Venmo? Oh, cash? Cash. Okay. Yeah. What's your Instagram? Oh, cool picture, man. Cool. Thank you. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. The lowest I could do is probably 25, to be honest. 20? Yeah. Because honestly, like I'm gonna be selling at the Rose Bowl next week, so I'm not trying to push everything like too fast.
I don't know, because I actually like wear this nose.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah?
Yeah. Gotcha. Thank you, bro.
Man,
appreciate you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Take care, man.
You too. Come on, bro. When are you gonna hit the off-whites? When are you gonna get the exclusive?
Bro, give him a couple tickets.
All right, so we're here at the homies. You guys go by
Northside Vintage.
Northside Vintage.
I'm Christian, and this is my cousin Marvin. We're like a family-owned vintage company. We have a brick and mortar up in a polish company in Morovia. And come check us out, man. We carry sports.
Is that you guys?
Music. Yes, sir.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, sports music and like a few like stuff that you could reference from your childhood, like a little bit of nostalgia.
Yeah. Dude, show them some bangers. Show them some bangers. Oh, did you sell the? You sold it?
Yes, sir.
The Bulls? Yeah.
Threw it on right now, too. Honestly, we did a straight trade. The Bulls rap tee, and I got the.
Okay. Yeah.
No trade. Yes, sir.
All right.
Straight trade.
Damn, straight to the body.
Fits nice too.
Yeah.
Chloe. We had this deal going all morning.
This is Highplan. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
I've been in LA here, but we're here right now. We'll get to me later. Northside.
Go ahead. Yeah. Show them some of the pieces.
I just heard. I overheard.
This is a kind of newer piece right here. But not everyone fucks with this one. LeBron.
That's gonna go crazy. Watch, yeah. In a couple of years.
Retires, man,
yeah. That's good. What do you have it priced at?
Right now I'm asking 5.
5?
But that's because like I don't mind
holding it. Yeah.
If someone wants to pay up for it.
That one's gonna go crazy later. Is that faded?
Yeah, it's hella faded. It's like on a navy tee.
Oh, it's navy.
Yeah.
Damn, I thought it was black and it just got like
Crazy,
super
this one's a
faded.
XL, and then the Kobe one right here. This one's a large. That's actually like way bigger.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah.
They're both on the CSA tag too?
Yeah. The CSAs are like our go-to right now.
I feel
They're
it.
just so beautiful.
Hard.
And,
Yeah, that's
don't
hard.
see this one too often.
Yeah, that's hard.
On
Very wet
Tennessee
in the
brand.
tennis.
Yeah. A lot of people ask about this one. And I try to search this one up too. I don't.
Can't really find it? No back hit?
No back hit.
Just the front.
Yeah.
I feel it.
If this was a back hit, if this had a back hit, it's like a rap tee basically.
It is. Dude, the colors remind me of the. I just pulled the Keith Sweat. I don't know if you guys saw that.
For real? bro.
There's like Key
know
Sweat,
what?
said "Do Me Baby"
Yeah.
on the back. Yeah, the colors are kind of similar.
Oh, the BBD one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
man.
pulled that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. That's like one of my biggest ISOs right now.
Is it?
Yeah, because I'm like, I mess with New Edition tees,
Yeah.
and like those are hard to find.
I feel it.
So BBD
Dude, shoot
on
me a
there,
DM, bro. We
Yeah,
can work
yeah,
something
yeah.
out, man. But yeah, I appreciate you guys.
Of course, man. Thank you for
Appreciate
having
you guys
us,
for
man.
pulling up. Yes, sir. Appreciate it, bro.
Appreciate y'all like setting up that event, man.
Yes, sir. So we're here with Ebony. She runs
722 Creations.
722 Creations.
Hand
Go ahead.
paints and pots.
Go ahead and show them some of your stuff.
Yeah. All right. So I saw this one earlier, but this one's one of my favorites. I got this little alien going on. And then we got this one that I like to call shroomies over here,
That was tough.
or tripping. Okay.
That reminds me of the Chrome Hearts tee. There's a Chrome Hearts
Oh,
tee
we
that
got
did that now.
some.
Yeah, there's a Chrome Hearts tee.
So got this one right here. It's inspired by balloons, obviously. It says
That's
good
hard.
sex, so 18 plus. Set the mood right. It's a nice little gift, I think.
That's dope. So you paint all of
Hand
these?
paints all of them,
Hand paint-
yeah.
oh,
yeah, so it's a
wow,
process
dude.
and it's acrylic paint, and then I seal them, so they're good to be durable outside. Or
Yeah. Where do you get the ideas to kind of like just comes to you? You just
Honestly,
start
yeah.
painting them?
Yeah. So
That's cool.
anytime I buy the paint separately, and then whenever I pick up a pot, I kind of just like go off of the colors that work with it.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then I literally just freehand it. And then if I like something, then I'll repeat it. So like the checkered ones were some that I
Just
really
make a good
liked.
amount. Yeah,
Exactly,
yeah. Where do you get your the succulents? Where do you buy
My
them?
succulents, I actually got this guy who sold them in the back of his yard for like a really great deal. Yeah, so he just has a backyard full of succulents.
How much do you charge for?
So these small ones
These
go
ones?
for 12. If you buy two, I give it to you for 20. And then
Okay.
these ones are $14.
How long you been doing it?
Honestly, like 3 months or so.
Oh, you just started?
It's
No,
so
that's
new.
cool though.
Yeah,
No,
it's
that's
so
cool.
new.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
All right, well, yeah, I appreciate you.
Appreciate
Good to
it.
have you.
Thank you for the opportunity.
This is cool. This is cool. This is super cool.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. All right, plan. Let's go.
Bro, I had to take it off. I had to stop flexing for the
What?
Homie was walking around. I seen it and I went. He was actually in the booth and I told him, I was like, "Yo, would you consider selling it?" And he's like, "Nah." Somebody actually already came up to me right now and was like, wanting to buy it. I was like, "What if somebody came up to you with like a real number?" He's like, "What's a real number?" Like what's a real number? Like, thinking whatever.
Yeah.
I told him 400. He's like, "Yo." His homies were ecstatic. He walked around, came back. He's like, "I can't pass up." He's like, "4 is a good offer." This is like a $700 hat.
Yeah.
So
That's
it's a good-
crazy, bro.
he said he worked at Goodwill, so shout out to him. Goodwill
Oh.
said he found it in the back of a trash can, in a trash can. And
Oh
he
my
had his thing.
God, bro. Dude, I
And
need
then
a
the
Bulls
knife.
wrap tee still, bro, but I need like a 2X, dog.
Look at that. This is like a large, medium measurement. Nah, I want to say a large measurement for sure.
Yeah,
But
that's
it
fine.
ain't that big sometimes.
Damn, the back on that one's crazy. That's hard.
And then we got our raffle tickets because you already know I'm calling it. You guys will see me at the end of this video with some neutral grays. Shout out Aaron for that.
What size are you?
Gonna win. Bro, I'm an 11.
Are you?
Today I'm an 11.
Today?
I'm a 9, 9.5. But today I'm an 11.
Appreciate you, bro.
So yeah, I appreciate you always.
Keep killing it.
Thank you guys.
Yes, sir.
Hype in LA, baby.
All right, is everyone ready?
My ticket.
All right, you ready, Zach? You pick the ticket? All right, ready? Close your eyes. Just one, just one. All right, you guys ready? 6, 9, 7, 1, 9, 1, 1.
Hey, what was that? Sorry.
You got it? 6, 9, 7, 1, 9, 1, 1. Yeah. Damn. Oh, here. Let me see. Just to show proof.
Right there.
All right. There you go, bro.
Thank you, G.
Appreciate you. Came up, yes sir. Take it easy, bro. All right, guys, so that was the raffle. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Thank you for everyone who pulled up. Next month, it's gonna be on the 3rd Sunday again. The date will be announced soon, so stay tuned. You already know slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion, what is.